Hi, my name is Morgan, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about Ocusil supplement before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Ocusil supplement is, be careful with the website you're going to buy Ocusil, because Ocusil is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video and also fixed in the comments. So what is Ocusil and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, Ocusil works. Ocusil is an all-natural dietary supplement for the eye that can help restore your perfect 20/20 vision and keep eye-related diseases at bay. It is made using a potent formula of specific natural ingredients that fight off the harmful bacteria in the bloodstream and provides adequate nutrients for eye health. Ocusil Eye Health Formula is available in a capsule form that has to be taken along with your meals every day for better results. Over 89,000 people have made amazing progress in their vision and have overcome their dependency on prescription glasses and contacts. Regular use of the Ocusil Eye Health Supplement has also been found to provide several other health benefits such as improved energy levels, better focus and memory, clearing away brain fog, etc. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Ocusil supplement and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Ocusil supplement for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for Ocusil to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 4 months using this product. Also important for you to know, Ocusil pills has no side effects since it is natural. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Ocusil supplement, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Ocusil actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes.